Tired of dialysis? What if kidney failure could be treated without transplants? Imagine an artificial kidney, gene therapy that repairs damage, or even lab-grown kidneys. It sounds like science fiction, but these breakthroughs are closer than you think. Dr. Aman Gupta, a kidney transplant surgeon, created this video to keep you updated about the latest in kidney transplant. Stay till the end to see how the future of kidney treatment is changing lives. The future of kidney failure treatment. Subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon. What if a kidney transplant wasn't the only option? Scientists are developing bioartificial kidneys, implantable devices that function just like real kidneys, filtering blood 24/7 without dialysis. The Kidney Project from UCSF is leading this innovation. For those not ready for implants, a wearable artificial kidney, or WAK, is in development. This portable device lets patients move freely while it filters their blood continuously, replacing traditional dialysis. Imagine regrowing kidney tissue instead of relying on transplants. Stem cell therapy is making this possible, and researchers are even 3D printing kidney tissues that could one day be used for transplants. Could pigs solve the organ shortage crisis? With gene editing, pig kidneys are being modified to work in humans. The first successful transplants have already happened, bringing us closer to a revolutionary solution for kidney failure. What if kidney diseases could be reversed at the genetic level? Gene therapy is being explored to treat conditions like polycystic kidney disease, while mRNA treatments, similar to COVID-19 vaccines, may soon help regenerate damaged kidney cells. Scientists are now growing mini kidneys in labs. These kidney organoids mimic real kidney function and could one day be scaled up into fully transplantable organs. Artificial intelligence is changing kidney care. AI can predict disease progression and personalize treatments, while nanotechnology is being tested to filter toxins in the blood at a microscopic level, potentially replacing dialysis altogether. What if your smartwatch could track your kidney health? Wearable biosensors are being developed to detect early kidney damage, allowing for early intervention before serious complications arise. The future of kidney treatment is evolving fast. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest in kidney health, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.